This tutorial covers the installation of the 2725RK-2 3/8 renewal kit, which is compatible with these 3/8-inch Z-Series ratchets. This ratchet uses a 6IP Torx Plus screw, so you can use our 168T-6IP screwdriver for installation. Begin by removing the back screw from the ratchet head. This will release the front accessories, which can be removed and discarded. Clean the ratchet head, removing any debris or old lubricant. Use only light oil. Do not use grease. Insert the reversion lever into the lowest hole on the back of the ratchet head. Next, insert the pin and spring into the hole in the side of the reversion lever. Make sure that you insert the spring end into the hole and use tweezers if necessary. Insert the large pawl into the assembly. The small pawl comes pre-greased, so additional grease is not recommended. Insert the small pawl above the large one, making sure the grooves interlock properly. Insert the square drive gear, ensuring it engages with the pawls. Press the cover plate into the ratchet head, ensuring the circular cavities face downward. Insert the screw into the smallest hole in the back of the ratchet head, through the pawl, then tighten securely. Test the ratchet to ensure smooth operation in both directions. This concludes the installation tutorial for the 2725RK-2 3/8 renewal kit.